Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I explain you DTC code in UPC of Megane 2. Okay, Megane 2 with the auto gear. If you face to DTC code DF034 alternator type incoherence, you must check the three issue causes this problem. The first one is check the regulator of alternator. The regulator must be this type value, original value, because the fake regulator is not working in the Megane. Then check the wiring behind this socket going to UPC. If the wiring is correct and is not disconnect, you need to check the UPC direction. The wiring purple coming to this pin, and from this direction going to the common board, this common board up the UPC, going to this pin, and you need to check this two diodes and this transistor. I show you in this picture. When I check this direction, I found this transistor has a problem, and I change it, and the problem is fixed. And then you need to connect the scan tools device like Eclipse. Eclipse is a expert scan tools for Renault, and clear this error code, and going to configuration of UPS and check the alternator type is realized. If you see the alternator type is undefined, the problem is still and the problem is not fixing. After clear this code, the in configuration, check the alternator type is realized, and the problem is fixed. Thank you watching my video.